Hey guys, welcome back to Car Spec Garage. Today we're installing random things on the Giulia Sprint GT. All right guys, so here's what we're installing, random things. The gasket for the headlight, the driver's side, and then we've got the heater hoses, and then the drain, the two rubber grommets for the heater hoses and the rubber grommet for the drain, and then the new grommet for the accelerator pedal here is being installed. Again, we're installing all stuff new. So let's get started. All right, got the driver's side headlight and everything in. And as you can see the name, these are gonna be awesome lights. I still gotta adjust the lights. Once we turn the car on, I'll adjust it. I've got the round, I'm gonna call it a roundel or whatever they wanna call it, for the heart. I'll get that in. So it looks like we're good there. Today at some point, or tomorrow, the bumper should be in. So that's gonna be cool. So that'll kind of start to wrap up this front end of the car. So now we're gonna start working on all the rubber pieces under the hood. So I just need to get the hood off the car and get it all the way down to the ground so I can work on it. So there we go. Again, I've got to adjust the headlights. They're not adjusted properly. So that'll come next. But you know, hey, for us 1967, they are not looking too bad, I wouldn't think. All right, so let's get on to the rubber bits right there. All right. We've got the rubber grommets on the heater hoses here, the top one and the bottom one that goes to the water pump. And then I've got the drain in, so I'll cut that once I get everything buttoned up here with the new gas line I'm gonna be putting in the next day or two, so that'll be good there. So now we're on to replacing this guy here on the accelerator pedal. So that's the next step. And then we'll go on to the next parts. All right, hang on a sec. All right, guys, we've got the new grommets and everything put in for the accelerator. So that's in. So everything's good and it works fine. Everything works pretty good. So gotta keep the noise off from that, so I'll work on that a little bit. So things are looking really good. All right, now on to the back of the car. All right, guys, the license plate holder is in, leveled up. Rubber grommets behind it like it's supposed to be. The right size screws are in there. I'm gonna find some chrome or stainless steel finished ones. These are stainless steel, they're just black finished, but that's all I could get at the hardware store today. But it is in. So now I'm on to the next little venture. So I've got to look through the boxes and figure out what's the next random thing I'm gonna put on the car. All right, guys, I pulled the other bumper off, and this is a little bit better. I've just got to buff it down. I'm gonna get the buffing wheel out, some cutting compound, and get it buffed down. But I had an extra one of these that I put together. I do have a question. What side mount, I don't know, as far as the size of the rubber washer grommet that goes for the side of the bumpers. So if anybody knows that, I would deeply appreciate it. I put one in here, but I don't think that that's right. I mean, it doesn't have to be 100% correct, but I want it as correct as it can absolutely be. But anyway, so the bumper's not bolted down, it's just kind of hanging in there. So with the plate, the license plate and that, I think we're looking really, really good here. So I'm definitely excited. All right, on to the next. All right, guys, back bumper's on, front bumper is on. This one was purchased through Classic Alfa. So I've got just a little bit of fitment to do in it. I gotta get some rubber grommets in behind here to space this thing out right. If anybody knows what size it is, would be wonderful. Please please put your comments below. So again, you know, I just got to get some rubber grommets there. I can't speak. It's been a long day. So yeah, so there you go. I think it's looking good. I really do. So we're going to wrap this video up. I am flat worn out. We've made some pretty good progress within the car, and everything is, it's definitely coming together. So a few busted knuckles later, it's starting to come together. All right, guys, so there you have it. Oh, you like my Classic Alfa hat? They sent it to me from all the stuff that we've been buying from them. This episode is not sponsored by Classic Alfa, but we've been getting quite a few parts from them. So again, the front bumper's done. We got the rear bumper on. We got the license plate on. Some things up underneath. Oh, the heater hose grommets are in. The scuttle drainage grommets in. So I think I'm gonna call it a day. So that was some random stuff for sure that we installed today. So till the next episode, please like, subscribe, ring the bell, and God bless.